This channel is getting millions of views in these Squid Game type shorts. So in this video, I'll show you how you can make these types of shorts completely for free. And I'll also tell you how to optimize the prompts so you don't have to watch tons of tutorials ever again. First, to make these videos, head to the prompt doc in the description. Select the full idea prompt, copy it, and paste it into ChatGPT. After you paste the prompt, hit enter. That'll give you a lot of ideas for your videos. Once you have an idea, go back to the prompt doc, select the full image prompt, paste it into GPT, then choose one idea and add it to the prompt, then hit enter. Now you'll get image prompts. Go to Nano Banana, enter the first prompt and hit enter. In a short time, you'll have the images you need. But images alone won't cut it. For video, go back to the prompt doc, copy the full video prompt, paste it into GPT, and then add the image prompts. Next, head over to Flow, upload your image, add the prompt, and hit enter. Soon, your video will be ready. Now you've got it all. But without prompt optimization, you'll be stuck watching endless tutorials, so watch step 3 from 6 minutes onward to fully get what I mean.